Scholars, parents, teachers, staff, and distinguished guests, welcome to the dedication for the new Rolling Hills Elementary School. I am so very pleased to join the Cadet Nation in celebrating the dedication of our new, lovely, modern, magnificent educational facility today. This is a dream come true for our Rolling Hills Elementary scholars and a true reflection of the hard work and dedication that occurs here daily. In addition, the entire Rolling Hills Elementary family of teachers, staff, and most importantly, our wonderful scholars in grades pre-K through 5 are watching the dedication. We also have parents, partners, and community members joining us virtually. Say hello to our Cadet Nation scholars. The Rolling Hills community truly embodies the culture of family, working hard and working together to make Rolling Hills Elementary a wonderful place to call home. Additionally, we believe in working together to help every student reach their best potential, academically, emotionally, and socially. Our Cadet Nation family has dedicated themselves to supporting and truly caring for one another as we continue to work every day to earn the title, the Pride of Pine Hills. Throughout our 60-year history, the Cadet Nation family has given our very best to ensure that our scholars learn to succeed at school as well as grow to become happy, healthy, productive citizens who will succeed in life. I can think of no other family more deserving of this amazing new home. I want you to know that our scholars do feel honored and valued through the dedication of this generous gift. Accordingly, I am proud to represent the Rolling Hills Elementary family in extending our enormous gratitude. I can assure you that we are all proud and extremely grateful every time we walk through our new hallways. In closing, I would like to say simply, thank you. Thank you to the taxpayers. Thank you to the Orange County School Board. Thank you to everyone who helped to make this dream true for our scholars. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And finally, thank you for sharing this special day with the Rolling Hills Elementary family. And now, I am pleased to introduce the OCPS School Board Chair, Teresa Jacobs.
Hello everyone. On behalf of the School Board of Orange County, I am thrilled to speak with you as we dedicate this beautiful new Rolling Hills Elementary serving pre-K through 5th grade. Did you know that Orange County Public Schools has been leading our precious children to success for more than 150 years? And a major way we fulfill our vision of ensuring that every student has a promising and successful future is with the support of engaged families and dedicated community members. In Orange County, we're blessed to have our families and communities' wholehearted support of public education. Since 2002, our community has continuously voted to support taxes, to build new schools, and to renovate and replace older schools. Now students, most people don't like to pay more taxes. We like to keep our hard-earned money. But when it comes to making sure you have what you need to succeed, with new schools, classrooms, safe spaces, fewer or no portables, our community said yes. So thank you, parents, community members, voters of Orange County, for making today a reality with your continuous support of our children and their public education. At Rolling Hills Elementary, you have an exceptional principal in Mrs. Henderson. I want to take this moment to thank her and the entire staff for dedicating their work each day to our children and their future. Students, your school board wants to see that each of you grows up in the best school possible, and that each one of you has every resource and opportunity to become the best productive community member you can be. We want you to be safe, we want you to be successful, and we want you to be happy. And we know that this new building is a part of making that a reality. God bless each and every one of you. And now it is my pleasure to introduce my colleague and your elected school board member, Dr. Karen Castor-Dental.
Hello, Cadet Nation. I'm so happy to help dedicate the new Rolling Hills Elementary with you today. Students, your school board values you, and we want you to have every chance to grow into a knowledgeable and successful member of the community. We want you to be safe and happy as you learn. and we know that this school, along with the support of your teachers and families, is part of making that come true. Your new school campus has the latest technology, a beautiful media center and cafeteria, outdoor and covered playground areas, brand new classrooms, art and music rooms, and a new front office. Rolling Hills Elementary is the pride of Pine Hills and serves as the center of an engaged neighborhood. This school lives in the hearts of generations of Orlando residents, and now it evokes tradition and modernity at the same time. Our community is so proud of the hard work of our Rolling Hills students, teachers, and staff under the passionate leadership of Principal Henderson. This administration is working hard to overcome the difficulties and changes the pandemic has brought us this year, with more engaging student monitoring and academic planning. And I'm excited by how our older students are mentoring younger ones to successfully learn and excel. Way to go, cadets. As your board member, I could not be prouder to represent you and champion all of your achievements. I look forward to stopping by to visit with you safely on your new campus soon. Now it is my pleasure to introduce another champion of yours, Superintendent of Orange County Public Schools, Dr. Barbara Jenkins.
Thank you, Member Castor-Dental. Cadets, I am so happy to be a part of the dedication of your new campus, and I'm going to need a commitment from every student watching today before we turn over that final set of keys to Principal Henderson. But first, I want to tell you a number, and I want you to remember it. $20 million. $20 million. That number is what this beautiful new Rolling Hills Elementary School costs. That's a lot of money. And as School Board Chair Jacobs has said, it's thanks to the taxpayers in our community. But here's what I really want you to remember. You are worth every penny. We spent that money because we believe in you and we believe in your future, and we wanted you to have a beautiful new school. Your new school is actually 85,086 square feet, and every inch, every penny is because you are worth it. Now, there are a lot of adults that have done lots of things to open this new school, but you're responsible for something as well. So I'm going to require 3 commitments from you. First, I need you to promise that you're going to take good care of this beautiful new school, that it will be just as beautiful and clean as it is today for years to come. Secondly, Principal Henderson has assembled a brilliant staff of teachers and cafeteria workers, paraprofessionals, secretaries, custodians, there are bus drivers, all of the adults at your school and in your community, including home and houses of faith, parents, grandparents, guardians, all of them are dedicated to your success. I need a promise that you will respect the adults that are working to help you succeed. And finally, research tells us that a child's brain, your brain, is capable of learning anything. It's like a sponge. It can absorb more and more learning. So here's a secret. The harder you work, the smarter you become. You're not just born smart. You work hard to become smarter. And so for the last promise, the most important, I need you to promise that you're going to work hard in school every day, from now through high school graduation and beyond. With those 3 promises, congratulations to the Rolling Hills Cadet Nation on your beautiful school. And now I have a surprise gift for Principal Henderson.
into our harvest.
With our community's help, we reach for the stars, striving for excellence. Rolling Hills is the best school. We have so much fun learning together. It's the best place to be. We're family. We love Rolling Hills. We show responsibility. We're honest and safe. I love my school, Rolling Hills. Rolling Hills! We love our school! Rolling Hills! We're here to stay! And we're here to stay!
Cadet Nation scholars and friends, thank you for joining us. Now it's time for a very special moment of this ceremony, the ribbon cutting. Cadet Nation.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
Cadet Nation scholars and friends, thank you for joining us. Go Cadets!